y'all? How y'all doing? Have a great morning. It's kind of super early on my side, but I just want to talk to you guys about how to make a good title for a YouTube video, or how to find a good title for a YouTube video. Basically, I go off when I start. I usually like to talk about anything geared towards YouTube that's gonna help educate or inform any my followers on how to do something, or educate them on how to come up with for instance, like a title for YouTube. So how I start off by doing it is looking at the titles, looking at different title names that are actually trending on YouTube. So that's gonna be part of you knowing how or what to actually talk about on YouTube. It's gonna help push your video because it's trending, right? Okay, right. So we actually talked about that. So since it's geared towards YouTube, also another way that I find titles for YouTube is by I actually use an app called vidIQ that helps me find good titles for my YouTube that people may be looking for, or something that's trending, a trending title. That'll help me come up with ideas for what I'm looking for on YouTube. Well, just that. I know there's probably like tons of different ways to find. There's probably like tons of different ways. That's just a way that I use to look up titles for my YouTube videos. Also, my thumbnails. That's a way I can generate thumbnails. It gives you an option to generate thumbnails on there for YouTube. On the vidIQ. So I use that normally for like my titles and my thumbnails. I use that as well, but I'm figuring out I'm trying to figure out different ways to actually make my thumbnails better, so I can generate a higher search for my thumbnails. So if you have any ideas of how to make better thumbnails, go ahead and leave a comment in there and let me know where you're from. Bless you. And like I was saying, I also use YouTube on like popular or trending titles and go off of that. So that could help me with my title search on YouTube. And basically, I'll try to like make the title to where I can talk about what I want to, what I can inform people about or educate people about. There's just a lot of different ways that people, find their titles or use their titles for. But I'm trying to make it as easy as I can on me when I'm finding titles or coming up with title ideas for YouTube. So that's basically part of how I come with ideas for my titles. Or another way would be anything that you feel like you would want to talk about. You can use that as well. I would suggest that use something that's going to probably be, trending on YouTube, so it won't be as hard for people to find it. But also something that you want to talk about or are interested in talking about. Or like talking about, because that makes it a lot more easier to make content about as well. Also, looking at what other small creators are talking about, or popular creators too. See what they're talking about, see if you're interested in actually talking about that as well, or educating, people about that. I think that helps as well. I mean, there's probably a number of ways you can come on with titles, Another app that you can probably use is YouTube Studio. I believe that helps you come up, helps you come up with like your title. I think it rates it though, basically like if it's a good title to actually talk about or use on there. It's been a minute since I actually used the original YouTube Studio, but the app, you can use that as well to help you find like a title for YouTube as well. So yeah, it was basically, and then for your thumbnails, you can do the same thing, I believe. And then there's different apps you can use for your thumbnails. So it all varies depending on like what you want to talk about. It all varies. You just have to go. You can stick to one way of using, or come up with ideas for a title and thumbnails, or you can use all of them. I would suggest being open to using all of them, because the more ways you're able to use your stuff to come up with your title and thumbnail, it's gonna help. All of it's gonna help in the long run. So it's just depending on like how you wanna go about using your information, or how you wanna go about coming up with your ideas for it. So if y'all have any ideas or questions about like specific questions about like how to come up with titles or thumbnails, go ahead and leave it in the comment, and I'll make a video on that as well, so I can better inform everybody, educate anybody that watches my video content on anything they want to know. Also, I want to appreciate all my followers as well. If you haven't, go ahead and give the video a like, share, and follow. And also, check out my other videos on my page. See if you find anything that might be interesting, educating. You guys have a great day. great weekend, great morning. Peace.